This is going to be a very short review, or I should say unboxing. Basically, if anyone's wondering how this thing works, you plug this into So basically how this thing works is you plug this end, hold on, you basically plug this end into the main audio device, and then it splits it off into two audio inputs, and then you just plug in either another aux cable into one of these, or you can just plug in a pair of earbuds into one or both, and you can listen to the music or whatever you're listening to through the two audio in jacks, because this sends the audio out. So this was a very short unboxing and review of a 3.5 millimeter audio splitter, basically.